Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and enabling discovery. On the TV or dongle, switch to the Miracast or screen mirroring input so it's listening. Then, on your phone or PC, open Display or Connect settings and turn on Wireless Display. Allow scanning. Once done, the receiving device appears in the list. Tap it. This step is critical because if discovery isn't active, the devices cannot negotiate a connection, and you waste time repeating steps that should only take seconds. You now select the receiver from the scan list and accept any pairing prompt. Sometimes a PIN or confirm dialog appears, so make sure both screens show the same code. Once paired, the session establishes and your display streams. If the image lags, lower resolution or disable hardware acceleration in the app. This reduces bandwidth and stabilizes playback. Also, you can switch orientation or scale for 16:9 content. These optimization choices matter because they directly affect latency and visual quality. To finish, stop mirroring from the source's cast or connect menu and release the session. You're done. If the link drops or stutters, first toggle Wi-Fi and re-enable wireless display. This often clears transient issues. Make sure firmware and drivers are current because outdated software breaks Miracast negotiation. If problems persist, reboot the receiver and source and move them closer to reduce interference. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable other wireless adapters or hotspots. They commonly prevent a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.